tie down the rubber band for the bracket and slide in the head-on unit. On the other side, just tie down with the light and the beep. And then there's two cables. One is the charging cable for the light, and the other one round down to the chassis, and then all the way down to just down. Use a zip tie. That's for the speed sensors, and then you just attach this magnet on two of the frames, and then once it starts spinning, it will tell you the speed. Just use another zip tie to tie down around the chassis, and you are good to go.